In this video, I'll show you how to earn up to 25 USDT with the Binance Crypto Red Packet promotion. First, open the Binance app and log in. Make sure your account is verified and you've activated Binance Pay, because the Red Packet promo runs through Binance Pay. On the home screen, tap the Pay icon, then look for the banner about the Crypto Red Packet or Red Packet promotion and tap it. This opens the special promo page. Next, tap Create to make your own Crypto Red Packet. Choose the coin you want to send, set the total amount, and choose how many people can claim it. Confirm the details, then share your Red Packet link or QR code with friends on social media or chat apps. As people claim your Red Packets through this promo page, you unlock token voucher rewards, and you can earn up to 25 USDT in total from the campaign. Your rewards will be sent to your Reward Center, where you can claim them into your wallet. Remember, these promos are limited time and first come, first served, so always check the latest rules inside the app. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.